Hey kids, great to see you again. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the handle on a tamper. A tamper is a tool you use to tamp down the soil and the rocks. And I'm in the middle of building some stairs coming outside of my sliding glass doors, because there used to be windows there and we put in a sliding glass door. And so now I need to build some steps. And so you'll see in the video, I was tamping and I hardly ever use this tool, but it looks like the handle got rotten. So I'm probably like 5 tamps in and the thing snaps on me. So you'll see that in the video. But there won't really be sound. I'm not going to be talking because my neighbor is working on some projects and his saw was running quite a bit. So you'll just have some music, and I'll just get straight to the point just to show you how to do it, because it'll, might come into play for other things, but this is just how I have repaired tools like this. So I'm just going to walk you through how I do that. And I do have a dad joke for you before we start. So a weasel walks into a bar and the bartender says, "What can I get for you?" "Pop," goes the weasel. And if you listen to my podcast, you'll know how much of a struggle that was for me to actually do that one. I kept saying, and then the weasel says "pop." So anyway, thought I'd just share that with you. So, okay, well, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you. Yeah, just kind of showing you the steps of what you'll need to do. I was able to salvage the handle was still in decent enough shape at its core, and so I just cut that off, cut a slit in it, cut a wedge that I put inside it, and then pounded it back in, and you're good to go. So, I've seen other ones where other models that have a hole and you can drive a screw into it. Mine doesn't have that, so I just did it with the wedge, and it has worked fine. I went ahead and used it after making this video. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.